from a Chinese new brand YY Wings, with sound detail of landing gear mechanics. And surprisingly, I also saw the APU details. Welcome to 魔力松子 Magic Train Magic. This 1:400 scale aircraft model is from my friend, and the model is from a Chinese brand called YY Wings. Boeing 747-100, museum edition with a livery, and yes, it's the world's first ever Boeing 747 aircraft. Here you can see what's in the box. With a collection card, the stand, and also, of course, the aircraft model. The price is about $35. And let's open the box and see the model. It's quite a heavy model. You can feel the metal material, and the first impression is quite good. As my first ever 1:400 aircraft, surprisingly, I'm seeing quite a number of details. The painting finish is quite smooth and flawless. To see a closer look to the nose, you can see the molding is quite precise, and the details of the livery is with high accuracy, so I guess it's using the PET printing technology. The landing gear is quite good. To touch effortlessly, you can feel the rolling wheels and tires, and also the landing gears. If you pay attention, you can even see all the airliners' logos is well printed. The antenna is quite sharp, like a needle. I placed this aircraft model on the top of my laptop computer, and you can see all the wheels are well landed on the ground. Some more detailed shots. Paint finish is very smooth and bright. With pictures from Museum of Flight, we can see it's such a legendary aircraft, the first ever 747. It's manufactured in September 1968 and took its first flight, February 1969. You can even visit this aircraft at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. I also assembled the two parts together of the stand and connected together with the model. I like the angle. It's like flying, and after that, I put it on my refrigerator together with my Boeing 787 model 1x200, and I got that model from the Boeing factory in Seattle. As an N-scale model railroader, I found the price of this aircraft model quite reasonable, especially comparing to the N-scale model railroads. So this is my recommendation. Very good aircraft model. If you find my first ever aircraft model review helpful, please do subscribe to support. Have a magical flight.